Hello everyone, and welcome to this YouTube channel. Here we're going to give a description of how you can download QGIS software, which we'll be using for our practical guide junior to GIS expert training. So it's installation and exploration of QGIS, and also we're going to look on the interface of QGIS for easy use of the software. So let's start by how to download QGIS 3.1 6.4 version, which we are going to use for this training. As you can see from the capture, you just have to go to your browser and type download QGIS or QGIS download. So direct from my browser, I'm using Chrome, so I just have to open Chrome and I type QGIS download. QGIS download, it's here, and from there you can see there is a website for QGIS software download. So I open the website, the QGIS website. As you can see, it is .qgis.org. So I just have to open it. Now you can see that here we are, and you can see the latest version of QGIS is 3.20.1. so we are actually not going to use this one, but we are going to use the 3.1 6.9, the Hannover version. But for the one that I'm going to download, it is the Hannover 3.16.4. so it is a previous release of QGIS. So I have to go to the all release, then from there I can just click here, which says previous release of QGIS are still available here. You can just click here and it will direct you to where the previous release of QGIS versions are available. To get the version that you want, you just have to scroll down and check the version that is compatible with your computer desktop. Yes, so like for our case, as we said, we are going to use 3.16.4.1, and my computer actually works on 64 byte, so it's 3.16.1.4, sorry, yes, 0.4.1, so this one. So from there I just have to double click and to initiate the download. So after you're done with the download, you just have to go to your downloads folder, and here the software is, you can see QGIS version 3.16.4.1. so I have to right click it and initiate by clicking run as administrator. So as you can see, it takes a bit of time, so we need to be patient and wait until the software installs, the installation completes. Please wait while QGIS 3.1 16.4 Hannover version is being installed, so it's gonna take some time. We just have to be patient and wait. So actually we are almost there, so we just have to be patient to let everything being installed for the software to start. So here we are. Just wait a little bit. Yes, so you can read like completed the QGIS 3.16.4 Hannover setup wizard, and you just have to click finish. So here we are, and to start it you just have to go to your Windows Start, then you will see recently added QGIS 3.16.4 version. So to open it, you just have to double click it to initiate it to open. As you can see, just click OK. So there we are, has already opened, and you can see this is the user interface of our QGIS software version 3.16.4 Hannover. Yes, so here we are. Thank you for watching.